Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to connect Bluetooth in Mazda CX-3, updated. Start by turning on Bluetooth on your phone and set the Mazda CX-3 to discovery mode via the Infotainment settings menu. Select the vehicle name on your phone, confirm the pairing code shown on screen, and allow contacts and messages if desired. If pairing fails, restart your phone and the vehicle system, then retry the pairing steps calmly. Start by placing the vehicle in park and turning the ignition to accessory or on. Open the infotainment settings, choose Bluetooth, then add new device or search for devices to start discovery. On your phone, select Mazda CX-3 from available devices, verify the numeric code, and grant permission to sync contacts and messages for hands-free calling. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more tutorials and quick tips. Quick recommendation: upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum with voice control and smart mapping for effortless floor care. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. If pairing doesn't complete, clear Bluetooth cache on your phone and remove old Mazda entries from paired devices. Ensure the vehicle system software is updated and check that no more than 5 devices are connected if your system limits pairs. Try a soft reboot by turning ignition off, waiting 30 seconds, then restarting both phone and vehicle before attempting pairing again. If problems persist, consult your owner's manual or Mazda customer support for system-specific steps.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.